working of let's check the working of this hand glove. Okay, we have connected this by cable so that we can start the thing. Okay, this is a Wi-Fi glove. We have only provided a supply to this glove. Okay, now this for connecting this, it will provide us ID or Wi-Fi connectivity. Here it's showing the ESP32. We have to connect it to any smart device. You can connect it by any smart device. Okay, we'll connect ESP32. Okay, now Wi-Fi is connected. Now we have to put IP address, that is 192.168.4.1. okay, on putting IP address, it will show this page. Now we'll go in the PC keyboard. Will make it full screen. Now we have to connect, and this is our 4 flex sensors. The value of the flex sensor will be displayed EDC value on display on this block. These are showing the 4 gyroscope XYZ. This is showing the XYZ value of the first gyroscope. Similarly, this is showing the XYZ value of the second gyroscope. This is showing the third, and this one is showing the fourth. Okay, now we'll connect. It's showing the it's connecting. Now your flex sensor value is EDC value is 823, near about 700 to 900. Then our fingers are stayed. If we move the finger, you can see that value of the flex EDC's value are decreasing. Similarly, when I will bend my fingers, more value will be reduced. Similarly, when I will straighten my finger, the value of the EDCs will be increased. It will reach the maximum when I'll straighten my fingers. Similarly, you can see the 4 gyroscope. My hand is straight. Gyroscope 1, 3, 4, 5 is showing the some positive value of the X value. Now I'll lift my hand to this, and it will value of the X is changing to some positive value. Positive value is increasing. You can see that continuously positive value is increasing. Similarly, I bend my hand in other direction. The value of is showing in the negative value are showing. Similarly, if your hand is straightened, and your finger is bended, now value of the flex sensor is reducing. Similarly, value of gyroscope second, which is connected on this finger, this is your gyroscope 2, 3 and 4. Now your gyroscope 1 is on the horizontal direction, so it's showing the positive value, and gyroscope 2, 3 and 4 is going in the negative side. That means my finger, I have bent my fingers. By using this, you can check the movement of the finger. This glove is can be used for the arthritis patient. This is a prototype model. For the more accuracy, we can use the more accurate sensors, so that we can achieve better result. Okay. Similarly, you can check the Y value, whether its hand is moving on the left side. I'll move my hand in the left side, is showing the negative value. Okay, if I bend my hand, twist my hand on the other side, it will show positive value. you can see that Y value is changing to positive value. Similarly, this is showing the Z value. If I'll put my hand in this direction, it's showing the negative value, extreme 200, 300, 100 to 200. Okay, by this you can also check the movement of your hand in horizontal and vertical directions.